China to cargo via Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, United Arab Emirates, United Arab Kingdom, Turkey, European countries and African countries. Fastest delivery from by road and sea. What we can handle we move all to items like all types mobile and mobile accessories, men's, women's, children's shoes, all types men's, women's bags, men's, women's knitted and women garments, imitation jewelry, electrical items, mechanical equipment, all types construction machinery, all types children toys, all types commercial vehicles and non-commercial vehicles, all types heavy plant, all types Pakistani minerals, all types newspapers etc. A state-of-the-art tracking system is in place to track every consignment right from the collection point to the final destination. Our responsibilities: customs duty, all taxes, and complete documents and cargo handling. Exports: the top exports of China are in 2020 broadcasting equipment, $223 billion, computers, $156 billion, integrated circuits, $120 billion, office machine parts, $86.8 billion, and other cloth articles, $60.7 billion, exporting mostly to United States, $438 billion, Hong Kong, $262 billion, Japan, $151 billion, Germany, $112 billion, and South Korea, $110 billion, telephones, $51 billion. Exports of China were mainly from Guangdong Province, $66.2 billion, Jiangsu Province, $41.9 billion, Zhejiang Province, $38.1 billion, Shandong Province, $31.5 billion, and Shanghai Province, $21 billion, while imports destinations were mainly Guangdong Province, $39.4 billion, Beijing, $39 billion, Shanghai Province, $30.4 billion, Jiangsu Province, $21.9 billion, and Shandong Province, $16.7 billion. Our main offices available China, Pakistan and our related representative worldwide Afghanistan, India, United Arab Emirates, United Arab Kingdom, Turkey, European countries and African region. Virgo by road and by sea cargo services. Karachi, Pakistan.